like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we'll post daily videos of new inventory. All makes, all models, foreign and domestic. 50 to 70 vehicles arriving every week. We have no shortage of vehicles here. Right now you're looking at a 2021 Volkswagen GTI. This is a collision damaged vehicle, but we're going to go over the engine compartment first. Everything's nice under here. No damage. The motor is not touched in any way. The vehicle does run and lot drive. It has collision damage to the rear. We're selling it with a salvage title. Do a quick walk around. Nice gray color. Got the red brake calipers. Nose is perfect on it. Got a panoramic roof. Got a little buckle here, a little buckle there. Doors are okay. This quarter section here and the suspension looks like it may be damaged. There's pressure on the door here, so this door probably doesn't open. But you can find a used clip for this vehicle. It's the same for all Golfs, as long as it's a 4-door. You could probably buy a whole rear clip for this vehicle for like $1,000. The hatch is the same. Only difference here is the bumper from the Golf. So you can buy a used quarter section, used hatch. Only differences are the suspension and the bumper from a regular Golf. The parts are interchangeable. You can find these parts on carpart.com. Let's take a look inside. Nice leather interior. Looks like that seat airbag is blown there. $5,300 miles. Yep, that seat airbag is blown. That's the only one, it looks like. The rest look like they're intact. Nice panoramic roof. Navigation, 6-speed transmission, nice red stitching. Comment below on the interior, let me know what you think. We'll post this one on the website soon. Thanks for watching.